Hi, this is Bilal from Speckle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Power BI connector and get it set up so you can bring 3D models into Power BI. Before we start, make sure you have a Speckle account. If you don't have one, head over to Speckle's website, speckle.systems, and sign up for free. Once you have your account set, let's go ahead and download the Power BI connector. To do that, I'm going to head over to app.speckle.systems and select connectors from the left sidebar. And from here, we can see all the available connectors. We are interested in the Power BI connector, so I'm just going to go ahead and download the connector for that. Once the download process is finished, let's go ahead and just double click on the installer, accept the license agreement, and let it finish. And now Power BI connector is installed. Let's actually verify that. For that, we're just going to head over to Documents, Power BI Desktop, and you should see two folders here, Custom Connectors and Custom Visuals. Get into Custom Connectors and you should see a speckle.pqx file. If you see it, all good. And inside Custom Visuals folder, you should see Speckle PowerBI 3D Visual.pbibis file. Before we can use Speckle connector, we need to configure Power BI for custom connectors. Let's do that. In Power BI, go to File, Options and Settings, Options, and select Security from the left sidebar. Here, we are going to switch the data extension settings to allow any extension to load without validation or warning. This allows Power BI to load custom connectors. I'm just going to select OK and restart Power BI. And now if we search for Speckle under data sources, it will show up. Let's go ahead and select Connect. Speckle connector is successfully installed and it's asking for a model URL. Let's go ahead and receive our first model. I'm going to receive one of the demo models we have. You can receive one of your projects and select OK. It will ask me to authenticate and sign in to my Speckle account. I'm just going to do that by clicking on Sign In button and entering my credentials from this window. Now I'm signed in and I'm just going to select Connect. And here it is. We just loaded our 3D model into Power BI. I'm just going to select Load without doing any transformation. And our data is now loaded inside Power BI. I'm going to quickly show you how to import 3D visual into your report. To do that, we need to go to the visualizations pane and select Get More Visuals, import a visual from a file. We'll accept the warning and we're going to go to the same path, Power BI Desktop, Custom Visuals, and select the visual from here. Let's go ahead and open it. Import was successful and we can see the Speckle logo here. Let's go ahead and add it to our report. And here it is. So this visual is asking for a couple inputs. Version object ID and object IDs are the important ones. They allow you to visualize and interact with other visuals. Let's go ahead and drag and drop them into their corresponding fields. And once you do that, your model will be visible and interactable inside Power BI. And that's it. You now have both the data connector and 3D visual ready to go. You can connect to Speckle projects, bring in your model data, and visualize it in a 3D right inside Power BI. If you faced any issues while following this tutorial, let us know at speckle.community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.